What's good, everybody? It's your boy Robin. I'm back with another video. Man, it finally has gotten here, my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have been waiting for this phone for a while. I was pretty ticked off that I had to wait a little longer just to pre-order this phone and to get it in. Don't get me wrong, I kind of was digging the iPhone Pro. I almost pulled the trigger on it, but it just reminded me too much of the iPhone 10 XR, which was a nice, configured phone far as size wise, but it was just a little on the small side. And when 11 Pro Max was out last year, perfect form, perfect size, and it was a way better phone to use. It was a way better phone to use. And knowing that they were going to redesign this phone and actually give an even larger display, that was right up my alley. Had to get this phone, the 11, 12 Pro Max. Now, I'm not going to take too long. I'm quite sure everybody to unbox this phone, and I'm just going to do a real quick unboxing. Also, if this is your first time here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified of future videos that I place or put out on my channel. So, on with the unboxing. So I went ahead and went with the Pacific. I think it's Pacific Blue is what they're calling it. Everybody's kind of ticked off because we all know that Apple kind of, shortchanged us without having a power brick. And if you're a first-time Apple buyer, iPhone buyer, that's going to be a little bit more added to your cost. But if you're going to buy Apple or you're getting into the Apple ecosystem, there's going to be an Apple tax to be paid. So let's take the boxing off. Real nice. Nice color. Oh man, this is so nice. Supposed to be real good on the fingerprints. This build, man, this is classic. I know a lot of people talking about comfort wise and how I feel in the hand, but this phone feels premium. Nice weight, the aluminum size. Oh man, the camera module. This is a nice phone. I am really feeling this. Wow. It's got this little, I guess, antenna thing on the side. Now, for what I understand now, I always thought this was for Verizon's purpose right here because of that wave signal is very weak and it would have a hard time penetrating this chassis. But who knows? If anybody knows, please leave a comment down below if that's the case. But I think that's the reason why they got this little opening on the side for the antenna. I never seen a phone by T-Mobile or AT&T that use sub-6 band need any type of antenna band on the side like this. So peel this off. Real nice. Flat displays, man, is always a plus for me. It's easier to find screen protectors, things of that nature to help your phone stay protected. Nice weight to it. It's a real nice phone. On the inside, you just get your basic C to Thunderbolt cable. Get your basic Apple accessories. Get your tool for your SIM card. And one basic Apple sticker. They're keeping it real straight and to the point. Fortunate for me, I have a few bricks laying around to use, so I shouldn't have any problems with having to run out and purchase a brick. That magnet charging thing they got going, that new deal they got going, I think the jury's out on that to me. I think I might wait around. New stuff like that, as far as charging, kind of worries me. And I think I may wait to see how that particular piece of tech, if there's any problems that happens down the road. I don't want to rush in and start using that, and because I already see videos of that magnet kind of warping cases and causing problems and things like that. I'm not down for that. real quick, let's compare this phone with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. From a size standpoint, the 12 Pro is a tad bigger, taller, I mean. From a width standpoint, maybe it's the rounded edges, but the new 12 Pro Max seems a tad wider. Again, I got a screen protector on there, but you can easily, can't pretty much tell, but from what I can see, the actual display looks a little bit bigger. Let me power it up. You can see that the actual display is a little bit bigger than the 11 Pro Max. Camera module is a bigger module in comparison to the 11 Pro Max. So everything about this phone is bigger than the previous year. So let's check out another big phone, the Note 20 Ultra. Now in comparison, the Note 20 Ultra is a little taller. From a width standpoint, the iPhone is actually a little wider than the Note 20 Ultra. So that's interesting. So you got a much taller phone. And from a thickness standpoint, the Note is a much thinner phone. Brought the iPhone in. And I think the square size gives you the appearance that it is thinner than the 11 Pro Max. I will go ahead and just put it on record and say that the 11 Pro Max is a little bit thicker, a little bit thinner than the 12 Pro Max. So that pretty much does it for the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff in there. Be on the lookout for more coverage of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I will be doing case videos. I do have some cases that have been sent in to me by Subcase, and I'm gonna go ahead and show some of that on there. Some screen protectors coming in. I got quite a few things coming in, so I am really happy to get my SIM card in this one. I think this will be my daily driver. I usually carry 2 daily drivers, one Android and one Apple product, and this will be my main Apple going forward. And that pretty much does it with my unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you have any questions, please leave those down below, and also please subscribe. A lot of you guys who watch the channel are not subscribed to the channel, and I would appreciate your subscribership. Anyhow, catch you in the next video. I'm out.